Awareness of the problems around us gives birth to compassion, and compassion leads to a more humane society. But when people lose touch with the issues around us, it is necessary to once again become the voice of humanity and bring them to the forefront. As the third part of the series Social Service at IIT Bombay, IIT BBC brings you a group created for this very purpose, Samvad.
So it was back in 2011, my second semester, and what we felt was there was this disconnect between what is happening outside the institute, the four walls of the institute, and the people over here. So people did have occasional table conversations on politics, on what is happening in the country, nation, but then there wasn't any platform as such for these things. What we thought is it should be a platform where people could learn, people could start a dialogue with the society. And so the name Samvad. Samvad in Hindi means a dialogue, a conversation. So we wanted it to be a platform where people would learn and ideas could grow and germinate.
So to sensitize people towards social issues, we have hangouts regularly on Fridays, which are open discussions. Then we have organized talks. Like in this semester, we had a talk by Professor Vinish Kathuria on the rupee slide versus dollar. Then we have visits. In this semester, we did Phule Nagar and Dhobi Ghat. Then we had a blog coming up so that people can express their opinions more freely and at whatever frequency that they want.
We had this big events like the blood donation camp. We had around 400 donors coming and donating blood. Like that was really very exciting. Then we had the voter ID registration camp where around 450 students registered for voting. So hopefully they'll go and vote during the 2014 elections. For any event, we try to ensure all the three aspects of Samvad are covered or not. So the first aspect is the relationship. So we ensure that we meet new people, we involve more number of people, and we do. We meet a lot of people. During visits, we meet people outside the institute. During deciding any event, we meet professors. There are a lot of undergraduates as well as postgraduate students involved in our activities. That of learning. So before any event, we do a lot of research. Then after the event, a documentation of the event is done. So that involves a lot of learning.
Impact. We really want to cause change in the society. So we have these blood donation drives which happen every semester. And for the 2014 general elections, people should be able to vote. That is why we had this vote project this semester.
The reach of Samvad has significantly increased. We are around 8 people working religiously for the team. I have been working with Samvad from past 2 years, and last year the activities were pretty unorganized, not as organized as they are now. And there are responsibilities on each of the team member. In fact, when we had events like blood donation and vote project, we had many other people joining. We called for volunteers. So a lot new people came and joined for our events.
So Samvad hangouts are basically open. There is no format. People can say whatever they want whenever they want. So basically this informality helps people to voice their opinions and also gain holistic perspective from all other opinions. Every thought has a voice in Samvad discussions. So that's the basic difference. It's not one person speaking, there are 20 people around you and they're all speaking whatever their experiences are, whatever they've heard about the issue and stuff.
So since my second year, I have been actively involved in organizing events for Samvad. Being part of the organizing team, we discuss about how issues in the society are actually relevant for us and how issues that do not in general seem to affect us are actually important ones and should be addressed if our country is to actually develop. And moreover, analyzing our understandings and learnings after a particular event has helped me understand how people from different backgrounds think about the same problem, and that really enhances one's perspective about social issues.
It is basically a place wherein there are no restrictions on people as to what they need to speak or what they. It's absolutely free. Anybody can express their opinions, and that is the best part. And everybody is given a chance to express their opinions. So it's tremendous amount of knowledge, and I feel extremely happy and proud to be a part of Samvad in some way.